Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's episode, we will be learning how to log out of your Line application using your iPhone. While trying to log out of your Line app on your iPhone or your Android, you'll not be able to see a direct logout button like many other apps. So, in order to log out of Line, first thing to do is to open your Line application and check if your account is linked to an email, phone number, or Apple ID. In order to do that, from the home page, go to the upper right corner and tap on the gear button. Once you open up settings, tap on account. Now, if you have not linked with any of those emails, Apple ID, or Google account, go ahead and make sure to link it first. This will help you log back in later without losing access. After you've done with the linking, the next thing to do is to close off the Line application. Go to your app drawer and find the Line application icon. Press and hold the Line application icon and click on Remove App. Click on the Delete App button in the pop-up and click Delete once again. Once you do, you'll be able to delete your Line application from your iPhone. So the next thing to do is to go to your App Store and reinstall the application again. In the search bar, type in Line and search. Now look for the Line application from Line Corporation, the same one, and tap on the cloud icon and wait for the application to install. Once the application is installed, tap on Open. Now, go ahead and log in by tapping the Login button and choosing one of the options. You can log in with a QR code if you have your old device, or you can choose the login with another method and select one of the login methods you want to sign in with. Go ahead and select the previous sign-in method, which is continue with Apple in my case. Once you go ahead and sign into your account, you'll be able to gain access again to your Line account. So that is the only way you will be able to log out of Line using your iPhone. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.